Alright guys, just another quick little update video. I know, that's about all I've been doing here lately. Got the battery charger on the truck here. There's a slow drain on this girl somewhere. I think it comes back from, I've got bed rail lights underneath here and a controller in the toolbox there. I think it has something to do with that. I haven't been driving it. Well, really haven't been driving it at all. But gonna start. I got the oil changed in it. I got it all greased up, and she's ready to go. So that's what's going on with that truck. Weather today, not too bad. We've been out in the field. It's been hard to do much. Hey, buddy boy and Jessie girl. But we've got all the corn planted, and I think over half of the beans planted. We're gonna do a little bit more tomorrow, maybe not a whole lot. It's really, really dry. I think there's a 70% chance of rain on Sunday, so we may just kind of hold off on things until after it rains. What's the matter, bud? I know, you're a good guy. But yeah, I need to go out. Need to get that thing out and mow the lawn. But anyway, as far as what I'm up to tonight, not a whole heck of a lot. Got well, I got out of the field a little while ago. Got the battery charger on the truck. I've been measuring out, thinking about building something up by the house to do for the Fox Shop BBQ, the Fox Shop Barbecue channel. It's just the Fox Shop BBQ. You can look that up and subscribe if you want to. Got a lot of things going on that. Been talking to a couple of other channels that do the same kind of thing on the Blackstone, and I think that might be a good thing. Right now I have some pork chops. I stepped on my tape measure there, but I have some pork chops thawing out. Stick them back in the fridge here pretty soon. I'm gonna cook these guys up tomorrow night. Might make a video on that. But yeah, there's a couple other channels I've been talking to that things are going really well on the Blackstone and cooking and that kind of thing, and I really like doing that. So does Jody. Like I've said before, her parents own a cafe, and she really likes to cook. She can throw stuff together that you never thought was possible, and it turns out really, really good. So anyway, that's just kind of what's going on down here. I got in not too long ago and just kind of chilling out down here, and I was cleaning some things up. I did, yes, I got have a mirror over here. Hello, that's me. But got this light back up and running. These lights were flickering and not very bright. The LED lights, the LED strip lights down here, I think they were just getting really old, maybe some burnout or something. They didn't put out much light, but I got that one fixed up, which is kind of a pain to do because you gotta get two strips of this out and then solder little tiny wires. Well, if I can get the end of it out here. Little tiny wires onto, you got to cut it right there and solder them onto there so you can wrap it around inside of that, and then you got to solder little tiny wires onto this guy, the connecting wire that goes down, and you got to solder those onto the first wire or the first strip. It's just a pain. It's not a lot of fun. But I got this guy up and going. I'm gonna get that one up and going. If you don't know what these are the original valve covers off of, well, they're off of this truck, which now has Ford Racing covers on. I don't know if I can get a good picture of them or not. Now, I don't know if you can see them down in there. This thing needs detailed up. She's pretty dirty. Maybe down in there you can kind of see. But I don't know, charging the battery up and then start driving it and see, might need to get a new battery. But anyway, we're gearing up to start cooking on the other channel, the Fox Shop BBQ. Trying to thaw these guys out. They're like rock hard up in the freezer, so got them out here, and then I'm stick them over there in the fridge overnight, and just give me something good to eat. Jody right now isn't feeling very good. She has a kidney infection. Took her to the doctor yesterday, and not feeling the greatest. So give me something good to eat. Somebody just went by here. Anyway, well, okay, Jess, go get him. You scare him off there, girl. You can do it. But yeah, I need to mow the lawn and get going. I did move the 1990 crew cab F350 truck. That was a lot of fun. That darn left rear tire there keeps going down. Pumped it up. We tried, Jody came down and helped me, and we tried pulling it. It was, I can't hardly see, the sun's so bright. It was sitting right here and it was in the way. So tried pulling it out around there with, with the lawnmower, which it pulled it real easy until we started trying to pull it around here, and then it just wasn't heavy enough. That truck doesn't turn real short, and I was trying to pull it sideways, didn't work. So brought Tahoe down, which is back up behind there. Brought it down and we pulled it out in there just so it's out of the way, so I can get my pickup out of here and drive it. So I don't know, that's just kind of what's going on. Just the planting season isn't going real well. It's really dry out. Supposed to get some rain here on next I think in about 2 days, maybe get some rain. So we're just kind of going out. Did some today, probably do a little bit tomorrow, or maybe a lot. You never know. And see what happens there. But we're chopping away at it. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on here. I felt like I needed to put something up. Right now I'm trying to thaw some meat out, and might make a video on this tomorrow. Might be by myself. Make some pork chops and taters and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, that's about it. So I hope you're all having a good night, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.